Gold is coming from testing strong key weekly level, triggering strong bullish rejection. In this weekly outlook, I'm going to break down gold step by step, showing key significant levels, market structures, and the most likely scenarios for gold in the coming week. So stay with me and let's continue. Welcome back, traders. In this gold weekly outlook, we will analyze key significant levels, market structures, psychological price levels, and the most likely scenarios for gold in the next week. This is for educational purpose only, not financial advice. Manage your risk accordingly. Thank you, and let's continue. Yes, traders. Now, before we continue with weekly market breakdown for the coming week, let's do a quick recap on gold. We're going to see what happened last week. From higher time frame perspective, you can see that after gold creating higher low, higher low, higher low, then failed to break above this high, then breaking below this level, indicating shifting of the trend. Then the last week, gold continued with correction towards testing this level here, as you can see. So let's break down today and see what is likely to happen in the coming week. Let's do a quick top-down analysis so that you can identify general market trends. From monthly time frame perspective, you can see that gold is at very high uptrend, and the last month it closed with leaving a very big diminution, indicating that traders, sellers or bears are in control. Let's drop down to weekly time frame. From weekly time frame, you can see very clear structure. Gold is forming high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Collection towards the general trend. High, low, high, low, high, low. Then failed to form high, failed to break a structure above this level here. Then breaking the structure below. Then coming to test at this structure, this key level here. This diminution, facing a very high rejection from this level, indicating that this level is very strong. Let's drop down to daily time frame. From daily time frame, we can see very clear structure for the current trend. This is a higher, this is a low, this is a higher, this is a low, this is a higher, this is a low. Then price failed to break above this high, breaking below this level here, indicating shifting of the trend. So current trend is shifted, as you can see this one. Now from daily time frame, after price failing to break above this level here higher, then breaking below the level here, indicating shifting of the trend, then it has left our current rotation price level at this level here. As you can see, the market was forming high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, breaking below this level. Then broke this structure below here, this one. Then started a new trend by creating lower lower, lower higher. Then this is lower lower. We are expecting to create lower higher towards this validation price level, which is our key significant level that you are expecting the price to reach before it continues down. So let's drop down to 4 hours time frame so that we can clearly see our most recent structure. From 4 hours time frame, this is the starting for a trend. This is a higher, this is a low, this is a higher, this is a low, this is a higher. Then you cannot define this as higher low because it has not managed to break higher this level. Until when it breaks higher this level is when you can determine this as higher. But sometimes the price may come, if price fail to break this level higher here, then it will come back to test at this validation price level, then continue to the direction. So this is our decisive level. So this is our decisive level. To determine whether the price may come back here to test at this level is where it can continue to the upside without coming back to test here, this level. So let's drop down to 2 hours time frame so that you can clearly see what is happening in this structure here. From 2 hour perspective, now from this structure, let's take a closer look at this structure. Let's break down so that we can see what is happening. Now, from this level, let's break down this inner trend so that we can catch how this movement started. Now, this is the starting from a trend. This is lower lower, this is lower higher, lower lower, lower higher, lower lower, lower higher, lower lower. Then break. After price breaking this structure, then fail to create a new low, indicated the starting of our trend. This trend here. Now, this is the starting of a trend. This is high high, this is high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low. Then high higher, high low, high high, high low. Let's fail to break this structure above here. Then breaking below, invalidating this current trend. Let's wait after price reaching this level here. If it fails to break this domination, this level here, expect a downtrend to come and test this level and they continue to the upside. This is a time frame validation price level, which is our most key reversal, significant level for reversal. But if this level don't hold the price, we expect the break. Then the retest, after retesting, you can continue to this level. So this is the decisive zone. Whether it will allow us to either wait until the price come back to test this level before it continues, or after it breaks this level, we may continue to the upside. So let's stay and wait what the market will tell us to do next. Around these major key levels this week will determine the next major move. So stay patient and wait for the confirmation. Wait for the price to tell us what to do next. Thank you. That is the weekly gold outlook. If you found this analysis useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for the next updates. Thank you, and wait for midweek recap and preview. See you.